How to get a six-pack in less than 2 minutes. Open your original image and find a matching photo of a hot six-pack. I found mine by using Google. Use the lasso tool to select the abs. Copy the selected area of the six-pack and place it on the original image. Rename the layer to six-pack. Make sure that you match the position of the top layer and the original. It helps to lower the opacity of the top layer to line up the nipples and belly button. Command+T lets you resize the abs. Once it is lined up, don't forget to put the opacity back to 100%. While holding down Command, hit the layer with your six-pack to make a selection. Go to Select, Modify and Contract. In my case, I put Contract to 10 pixels. Hide the layer with the six-pack. Select the eraser tool and erase your selection in the copy of your original image. Make the top layer with the six-pack visible and select both layers by holding down Shift and clicking on both layers. Head to Edit, Auto Blend Layers. Make sure Panorama and Seamless Tones and Colors are active. Right-click on any layer and go to Flatten Image. Now, go to Image, Adjustments and Selective Color. Set the colors to whites and track the black slider to 40%. That's it. Less than 2 minutes. Why going to the gym anymore?